You see, Adebaku me banana kind Adebaku online, but chere my dream palm that has to do with your friend saying BC for now mucho or more exams. No, me so much nkwala mienu bi omo ye twins.
Nkwala omo ye 9.
Yes,
but mienu ye twins.
But you see, Adebaku we have gotten to a point.
Omo exchange ebi mo exchange question papers and ebi so exchange answer sheets.
We have gotten to a point whereby I was here tenase. Na ye review nyoma bi na nkoye so see ya na ye na fi 19 when be so it should be a norm. Imagine say nkwala no esua there from form 1 to form 3. Mo set exams. No more the 5 days natural 10 papers. Yeah, call university no. Yeah, show how many courses? Everyone pokra 6. 6 no, how long do we use it to write the exams?
I'm saying time no eboboso do.
And no pokra no university pokra na actually semester no eno na e dey ba. Yeah, for the last semester am fama. Nti adenti na your education system no, ye ntimi review ni yes okay fine. Said days in the best space in pokra na nka be bia 10 days ah. Omo the 2 weeks paper na dey bia wana na ye dey. From Husina lecture back who Kasasam University of Ghana. No who or TikTok have so Sani a chua and no grade is saying. And yes, a Sani and so that is how we should continue. Into a bed then I am motivating Kalana say Uncle copy and Uncle swap. Obi on Pokrabia watch run or panel, and was he be your coffee and son or samba. The stress is too much. Metro paper be online your friend is saying that will be in August. A certified cyber security course. And my book is a metro on the 18th of August. For any reason, let me feel say on the 18th of August no mean try mess date no. To data me pay. Into your education system they be so I was here restructure I didn't this particular site.
Especially the BC.
The BC.
Time no ever boss.
Time no sir.
5 days.
5 days for 10 papers.
For 10 papers. Stressing kolano dodo.
Bakwa no pa bakwa nyumre. Too much.
Too much.
Inti I think say it's about time as scholars no omo be kasa asem we na do bedroom na Ministry of Education na other stakeholders no they should take into consideration. Because ye man kolano pressure na too much. Na Mebra asem no so that has to do with or say Dumsor war no area. Na obeko fi bia no kwade sumu ne ade.
Yeah.
You see, let's be frank. Say ade no e ade a e was so continuously I affect yen. E was ye kamati mamufo no hu say AC. I am not saying say a moon doom light was certain areas. But the question is ye doom light now, how long does it take? And even say ye doom light now, justified now. And now let me with you. Now ECG app no, they keep on sending me messages say on by maintenance was certain areas. Gone are the days now. Ebi omo the speaker be see your friend is saying
radio announcement in the
say wo ECG app na you realize that anytime be on be here any schedule bia no omo send no notification
ba ye nyina so na
metiase say enye ebi enye obia na obeden oni mark nkan na bibisa eno so wo ho but even proud to say ye bet it's a transformers in na asefo no Minister na di kan bo ho deuro. Ena to yen chen su be si. Ena man for the gym we say bo Dumsor aba. But let's be frank, let's be sincere. Transformers no other places almost so many places. Enti yenya bodre so ye gang so this particular government no ye the Dumsor aba. In any case then ye Dumsor light would do now so a Dumsor. No, that is the definition of Dumsor. Unless of course you were a very hectic energy crisis ubeko krom no na generator no ya swesi so fiti anopa kwesi enwumre omana yebu no yebu ne say at the end of the day no bia ho beto no yen politics ne to say gone are the days whereby all can say like traditional media all kind now so there's no social media be I can verify but minim say MPP for there akwesa akoko se kira koma enya ne fe se bibia akoyie mpokura obeka so hwe nkoyie because me say omo communication director Miracle Boaje also say dollar mpokura be 1 cedi mpokura na fu be 4 cedi mpokura na on be win 2028 ana me sesa esi timamfo na omo ho now the Gen Z's no the internet is there for them to see, and I like the fact say some of the ministers obi to say yeah road minister Honorable Agboja he's doing a fantastic job. Bank at first in the brand share obinsan or to office on co grounds on go say ejuma no e kosen me ya sure say anything na bia reshaft na say aye de ama old boy no because majority of ministers now obi abo no homodin until when na wo kwa yi na ho de ho abehye ho man ka so mu nyina me si ebi mu bo mu homodin o hwe obi ti say road minister or transport minister ne honorable Mita Kando and few others are on say they are going on ground to see what is really going
now one on ministers be no
na question ya will be semi
there be
who set me trap
there be any trap na me set
why you post na
there be what can positive
and negative men can
also can so unim say untimi nka
negative men can
because when you say uka positive
men can negative
they say ebi nyabotre say uka positive na ubeka negative na yakawa ya ne boma na be neutral
after show we mbeka news na makate me media no NDC communication Samuel Batu say
a disciple of a Sedu
say
but some George Ejuma oye no weni je ho
obo ejuma
weni je ho
oye na afamu dia in a sense
ba weni je ho
o meni je ho
and to the Sam George dey toto eyi ho a governors Agboja say na ho no
na say different sectors
there be a different sectors but they are all ministers and omo mienu no
one nyina ye ejuma
baba ko ye ejuma se ba
and the minti min kire
ba nye one ati ase ebi mu ye ejuma
se me say ebi mu ye ejuma
unya bema
me ya bema na me ya den there be o so ma hwe but you see issue ni say I think say
ye na si form no
to me near transport minister or you know friends road minister many je ho pa because to say contractor ya adwin say this time around no yemwa local contractors no ye the mobilization fund dem amount nti e dem biom sisi anso ye kofa Chinese one na the contract mo ma ye beka so na ya sideline local contractors no nti si ye empower local contractors na ye pa omo che omo nye adwuma no nti eba na sana other government sample kwa na government ba eba mo sa appetite no so yen she local your friends saying indigenous companies no yen she omukina ba ya kwena wonya kwena at the end of the day abofra kiti kita 2 megabyte no they are your man penny just like that. I think say to me no yen omunya is hard unti me ya me
na was say
journalist ni bia ye mama
appointment
then we share come radio say na we nso no kan ye ho And even proud to that, you realize, we hear some of the media stations are no more bought MPP echi, more NDC for a year, or more buy no, or my rewarding crofona now more fees or more pro NDC. But the question is, that is why baby Amekobiano, most of meeting within young NDC in Bukra, me do on mama say, hey, disciple, I carry one principle. If I am for you, I go all out.
Say ni pana kra boni kra na obe support no.
No, enye si ni pana ye boni o.
Kra sem bia enye no kra obe defend.
No.
Disciple.
Nyame pa kire ne say, there are few people time may constitute disciples of Asidin Getia, right? I make a chomusu. This is the agenda. Omuso Charlie right now dear Charlie I don't know dangerous so and she'll be better gonna me so. Politics is this. You can never be neutral. And you can't sit on the fence. Now make a note I say. Make sure be so me mooding. Me do one no my own. To see the way ye kasa o ma ye time no be a chere na adwen. Me ka no man me bantan and bisa and say, "This ano, we a host and now we a panelist."
Because per our training as journalists, you know, so we engage you, yeah, you come in obey 25% of the stake.
Exactly.
The panel was 75%.
To see the way I kasa no wa be mu 1, 2 no. Ono no akwa say me ne ben enya rebata. So it got to a point I felt uncomfortable when I say, this is an MPP communicator. But I say who ye ne juma de amano. I am not saying say don't belong to a political party. But they have their representative on the show. But I say who about 5 no too much. Who bet me about 5? They say Ben can you know. There are some of the shows are all kwa. Nana who here so by research. To me kokakagum sa so when we get to that point, the national interest now conflict with the political interest. So a situation whereby you cannot separate the national interest from a political interest now, it becomes very dangerous. Say some about to me ba will show so when me say media or your NDC ni into agenda na or dey ba no e NDC. But who betina console nechi ahun. You are to champion the agenda for the national.
By asking the relevant questions.
Exactly. What I said the last time I met Hanum, I make about Abu Jinapo issue. No, I make her say, send me try, you will expose me here. I didn't think about so research because we know whom we are coming to meet. And you are not asking for a political party. You ask for the nation. It's a situation whereby you get journalists who are doing political work instead of the national work. On a danger neighbor.
Made us see from.
Wait.
But